of restorative poses using your sofa. So I'm a big lover of restorative poses, and I teach a weekly class full of restorative poses for an hour and a half every Friday, and it's a real love of mine to see people relaxing and finding comfort in different poses and different positions with lots of props. So one of the biggest props we use is a chair or a sofa. So bring your mat or space, comfortable carpet is fine, close to your sofa or your chair. There are 3 poses that I want to take you through this afternoon, and they are just delightful. They're really nice, so please take your time once you know the poses to really enjoy them and to stay there for a long time. So the first pose, you're coming down onto your back and you're gently placing your legs on top of the sofa. And you can be as close or as far away for this as you wish. And all you want to do is make sure that you tuck your pelvis under and that your legs are nice and supported. You may find that your legs turn out and rotate outwards, or they might be quite comfortable staying linear. See what's comfortable for you, find your position, take your arms nice and wide, tuck your chin in, walk your shoulders down, and then rest. Take 5 deep breaths here. Find your stillness, which is the restorative pose. Those gaps in between the movement of this pure, comfortable, wonderful poses and postures. And you can really stay there for as long as you wish. But we're going to move on to the next posture. So for this one, you need to be a little bit further up on your mat. So walk yourself away slightly. And then draw your feet, soles of the feet resting together, and the knees just carefully opening out to the side. My back is beautifully supported by the floor here. The options for the arms, they can be wide down on the floor. They can rest on your belly or your rib cage. Or you can interlace the fingers and place them behind your head. And just carefully breathe here. A little bit of rocking or Mariposa butterflies can feel really nice. This is a version of Supta Baddha Konasana, with the feet supported fairly high. 5 deep breaths. And send that breath down into the hips, giving permission to just gently release, to let go, to find comfort. And stay there as long as you wish. You can pause the video. And then we're going to move on to the next one. So carefully draw the knees in. Maybe you need to support with the hands. And you can take a little hug here, a little rock into the lower back. And when you're ready, just placing the feet back onto the sofa. Keep the right foot on the sofa and cross the left leg over the top. And from here, this might feel really good, a nice stretch into your buttocks. Or you may wish to place your hand on that left leg and just gently encouraging it to move away. And this might feel really positive and comfortable, or you might have to back off a little. The closer you are to the sofa, the stronger the stretch is going to be. So wiggle your bum closer or further away. And this is a nice one to do up against the wall as well. So you'd have 5 breaths on this left side. Place the hand wherever is comfortable. And then just gently supporting that leg back in and swapping sides. Cross the right leg over. Place the right hand on the knee and just carefully pressing that hand away. And just enjoy this stretch here. Tuck the shoulders back to open the chest once more. 5 breaths here, and then carefully coming out. And you might do all of those again. If that feels really good for you, please do. And really, restorative yoga is for everybody, and you can really make that as long or as little as you wish, but they're generally quite comfortable and they usually feel really nice. So have a little play and please enjoy. So nice to see you all again. Namaste.